Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, I would like to talk about my product under the topic of plant preservation, which is an automated watering system that I made using microbit. An automatic watering system is a fully automated plant watering system that uses sensors and motors to ensure the plant receives optimal amount of water for it to live. When the system detects that the humidity level is lower than expected, it will supply water to the plant until the desired humidity is achieved. The main reason why this system is created to ensure the well-being of the plant. Furthermore, the system is used in agriculture by farmers as it makes the irrigation process more efficient, thus giving the farmers more time to do other tasks. Plus, less manpower is needed to water the crops as it only needs a few people to run the system. So, how does the system work? When the humidity of the soil is lower than 65%, the system will supply water to the plant until the desired humidity is achieved, as I mentioned before. But a little bit of a disclaimer, in this video I will be using a light sensor to demonstrate the concept instead of a soil moisture sensor, as I don't have the sensor with me at the time. To do this project, you will need the following item, which is a microbit board, a servo, some alligator cables, a straw, a water container, a soil moisture sensor, and most importantly a power source, which in this case I will be using two AA batteries. So, this is the code that I use to program my microbit. As you can see, if the light level is more or equal to 120, or if I use a moisture sensor is lower or equal to 60%, the servo will move to 175 degrees for 2 seconds and then will move to 40 degrees for another 2 seconds. This action will be conducted over and over again until the desired moisture is achieved. But if this condition does not occur, the servo will stay at 175 degrees. The coding on the left is just to instruct the microbit to show the intensity level of the light. Now, let's move on to the demonstration. As you can see, the microbit is connected to the servo via alligator cables. The servo is glued to a stick that is taped at the side of a water container. A straw is taped to the servo so that water can be moved from the container to the soil, or in this case, a plastic box. As you can see, when the high intensity of light is shone onto the microbit, the servo will start to move, thus causing water to move into the straw and into the plastic box. This system isn't without this problem. The first problem that I encountered is pressure can build up inside the straw, causing water to not flow inside the straw, as you can see in the demonstration. And the second problem is not all water inside the cup can be used due to the limitation of the straw. One solution that I could think of to solve this problem is to use a pump to pump water from the bottom of the container and connect a plastic tube to the pump and place the other end of the plastic tube in the soil. This way, we will not only be able to utilize all the water inside the container, but at the same time, we can prevent pressure from building up inside the tube. To conclude, I think this automatic watering system is an amazing product that we can use to care for our plant even if we are busy, as it is fully automated. As shown on the screen, there are two hadiths that I think are related to this topic. The first one is, if a Muslim plants a tree or sows seeds, and then a bird or a person or an animal eats from it, it is regarded as a charitable gift or sadaqah for him. And the second hadith is, whoever plants a tree and diligently looks after it until it is mature and bears fruit, it is rewarded. The second hadith is a little bit incomplete, but I think you get the point. That is all I have to say in this video. Thanks for watching, and bye.